Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr bin As radiyallahu anhu states, on the day of sacrifice, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was standing beside the Jamra when a man came and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have got my head shaved before pelting the pebbles. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, throw the pebbles, there is no harm. Another man came and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have made sacrifice before throwing pebbles. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there is no harm, throw the pebbles. The third man came and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have performed the circumambulation of Ifada, visit before throwing pebbles. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, throw pebbles now, there is no harm. Hazrat Abdullah says, on that day, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not asked about anything, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do it now, there is no harm. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3150.